Welcome to Seattle Grace Mercy West Hospital. This hospital is filled not only with busy doctors saving lives every day, but there's also major drama occurring behind the scenes and in the break room. Surprisingly, the drama of Seattle Grace Hospital is very similar to that of the mechanism of G-protein coupled receptor signaling. Introducing the playas, the residents and attendings of Seattle Grace Mercy West Hospital. Meredith Gray is the receptor. As a young intern following in her mother's footsteps, Meredith is initially overwhelmed by the stress of the hospital. She soon learns that she is not alone in her struggle. Dr. George O'Malley is the hormone. George is one of Meredith's first friends in the hospital, and he is shy and timid at first. The membrane-tethered trimeric G protein is made up of 3 different doctors. The first is the G-alpha, Christina Yang, the troublemaker in the group who puts work first and will do anything to get ahead. The second is the G-beta, Alex Karev, a bad boy with a soft side who is loyal to those who treat him right. And the third is G-gamma, Izzy Stevens. She is a resident who is working hard to keep up with all of the drama. And finally, the effector is Dr. Preston Burke, an attending who is head of cardiothoracic surgery and dreams of one day becoming chief. How are these doctors and GPCR signaling related? Take a look at this chart displaying the process of GPCR signaling. The process allows for activation of a second messenger, resulting in amplification of a cellular signal. Here is how each of the doctors relate to the various players that take part in GPCR signaling. George and Meredith become friends outside of the hospital at the local bar. Once they really bond, Meredith changes a little, growing more confident working in the hospital now that she has at least one friend. Meanwhile, inside the hospital, Christina Yang, Alex Karev, and Izzy Stevens are already great friends and have a great bond. Because Meredith has changed, the other interns become attracted to Meredith's confidence and eventually bond with her, specifically Christina Yang. This causes a change in Christina, and she becomes even more confident as well. The change in Christina's confidence results in an exchange of her original position as resident to a higher position, head resident. However, this new promotion caused Christina to become less concerned with her friendships. As a result, Christina's friends, Izzy, Alex, and Meredith, disassociate from her, leaving her with nothing but her new promotion. Around the same time, George professes his romantic feelings for Meredith, who has only feelings of friendship for him. He is heartbroken and disassociates from her. Having nothing left but her new promotion, Christina turns to hooking up with one of her attending physicians, Preston Burke. Christina's hooking up with Burke affords her even more opportunities within the hospital, especially scrubbing in on more surgeries than her fellow residents. She then uses these opportunities to expand her role outside her residency program in hopes of making a bigger impact on the hospital and maybe becoming the next head of cardio. However, once the chief of surgery found out Christina was hooking up with Burke, he demoted her back to resident from head resident. Because Christina was demoted, Burke dumped her, and she had nothing left but to reassociate with Izzy and Alex. The end.
Say he's just not